All right, what do we have here? A XYW50L blue. Okay, I have no idea what it is. Looks like a kit, sort of. It's put together. It's mostly put together. But, oh, I guess the case. You have to assemble the case. I got a screwdriver to assemble the case. And a heatsink with double sticky on it. Scan for, oh, here we go. Look at this. Scan for instructions. Okay. All right. It is a 50-watt Bluetooth power amplifier module with Wi-Fi timing clock. Interesting. So it is a clock amplifier. Not a clock radio, but a clock amplifier. Comparison. So how to... Not shocking. How can I surpass? 50 watt plus 50 watt stereo Bluetooth digital power amplifier board with Wi-Fi timing clock. I guess it picks up the setting of the clock by Wi-Fi. Efficient class D. I hate class D. That's a different subject. Okay. 6 groups of alarms can be set with 8 levels of brightness adjustment. My goodness. Multifunction knob. Up, down. I don't know if I really need instructions. Here we go. Plug in the battery. Here we go. Installation. Yeah, I don't need instructions. Product shipping. All right, that was a waste of time. Sorry. Let's get it onto a tray, but my tray is missing. Where's my tray? Oh no. Not to worry. I still have it, my yellow tray. All right. Not that I really need it, but let's get it open here. It is assembled. So there was a front module and speaker left, speaker right, audio in, audio out. So audio in is Bluetooth, I guess. USB audio, aux audio, audio output. Interesting. 5 to 26 volts. I don't think you're going to get 50 watts out of this thing if it's only 5 volts, though. All right. Here, I hate these protective things. Rip that off right away. All right. And a big knob on the top. Oh, rotary encoder on the top. Interesting. Woo! All right. Going crazy. Let's see what's in this bag. All right, we got a front. And it looks like they used a PC board house to do the front panel. You know, that's a good idea. I've been trying to find a vendor. Any vendors out there? I've been trying to find a vendor who actually does aluminum front panels. But I haven't found one. I guess that goes on top. Like a so. And this goes on the bottom, like so. And yeah, so sometimes you can get away with a PC board to do the front panel. I should probably do one of those and show it to you. But sometimes you want a nice silk-screened aluminum. And I have not found a cheapy place to do that yet. All right, and this, I suppose, would go on the bottom, like a so. All right, and this would hold it all together. All right, I think we'll put this part on first. Get these little screws going in. Oh, they look too short. that must be for the top. Okay, we'll put the long ones on the bottom then. You can do it.
I don't have any molasses. I was going to try a different kind of pie. But molasses. Well, I was going to try a Julia Child recipe. Well, not this time.
Right. You may have heard IMSAI gal on the back there. She's making a pie. Get it in. There we go. All right, and we have this little heatsink. I suppose we should put the heatsink on something. And I'm guessing on that chip right there, because that is the Class D converter. Although, it doesn't really say, but I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it's for that. All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at the part numbers on these things. Making sure I'm not doing something dumb. It's been known to happen. It's been known to happen. All right. This one is a AB3. And that one over there is a, oh, I think it might be that one there. Yeah, let's put it on that one. I think that's just the micro that does the Bluetooth and stuff. So we're going to stick it on this guy here. Help him out. 50 watts. Sure. All right. Uh-oh. All right, I'm a magnetic, so I'm going to take that to my advantage. Oh, I got one extra screw of each length. That is nice. That is nice. And knob. Knob goes on top. Come on, knob. You can do it. Doesn't really want to go on. Don't want to break it. Oh well, good enough. And there we go. Should we turn it on? How many volts does it take? It said, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's try it out. All right. Let's put our adapter in the back here. And what I have this set to, not enough. Let's set this to 12 volts just to begin with. Okay, good enough, 12.6. And I'll turn this guy on. And oh, look at that. Did you see that? And it says it's 11:29 and it's just going blink, blink, blink. Oh gosh, do I really want to do anything with this thing or not? Oh man. I think I just wasted my money. I'm not gonna want to do anything with this thing. I'd have to get out speakers and hook up the speakers, and I'd have to get radio, and okay, maybe I'll do it. It needs a filter. It needs a contrast filter on it. It gets a little bit washed out. It's hard, like if I have it tilted like this up near the where the light's coming down, it's hard to read. If it's in the shadow, it's easy to read. They really should put like a gray filter on it, kind of a neutral gray filter. That would be good, but it isn't. Okay, there we go. I've got 2 speakers hooked up. There it is. It's paired, the Bluetooth paired. I can play something. What's this?
All right, it's Chinese.
Hey, it's my YouTube channel.
Let's see what we've got in this package.
I knew it was me talking because I recognized the voice. All right. Self, I said.
All right, let's see here. We've got 200K.
Well, I think I'm making it go pretty loud.
And a PC board. Oh dear. Surface mount. Oh, there it is too. Nice. Leads are probably all bent on it. Oh dear. Not too crazy about the packaging, so.
I don't know why you guys watch this channel. All right. There it is. I think there's an app you can download too, and you can get it to be a clock. Have it automatically Wi-Fi the clock over to it. I don't feel like doing that right now. But it is a cute little amplifier, I guess. I don't know how much I paid for it. It must have been super cheap because otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. I was kind of hoping it was more of a kit than it is. It's just bolt on the case, so no fun for this channel.